Tata Motors announces Safari's 10,000 units production milestone in India. The company has achieved this new production milestone from its manufacturing facility in Pune within just 5 months from its launch this year. The company rolled out its 100th flagship SUV back in February 2021, despite all the ongoing restrictions due to COVID-19. The remaining 9,900 units of the new Safari were rolled out in less than 4 months. According to the company, the new Safari is one of the top-selling 6x7-seater SUVs in India, and it holds a market share of 25.2% in its category. Currently, the Tata Safari retails between Rs 14.99 lakh and Rs 21.81 lakh for the top-spec Adventure Persona variant. The new Tata Safari is powered by the same 2-litre diesel engine that also does duty in the Harrier. It produces a maximum power of 168 brake horsepower and a peak torque of 350 Nm. The engine comes mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. The brand's flagship has achieved a new production milestone despite the COVID-19 restriction earlier this year in the country. The Safari name carries a rich heritage, and the latest production milestone stands in testament to that very fact. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share, and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.